he's giving us the bird. So you might be wondering why we're in the back of a truck. Let me start from the beginning, if you can hear me. Let's have a go back a bit. So we started in Dushanbe and we wanted to get to Iskanderkul Lake, which is about 150 kilometres away. So we got some buses out of the city and we got to a taxi stop and we took a shared taxi to a place called Savoda, which is 30 kilometres outside of Iskanderkul. So we got there, we paid the price, and then we decided we wanted to hitchhike. Yeah, they wanted double that price for 30 extra kilometres. Carry on the story.
So we hitchhiked to the turn-off point to Iskanderkul, and we got in a lorry, a tankered lorry that's carrying petrol, and then we walked a little bit, and then we got in a car with 3 guys, of like 10 kilometres, 8 kilometres.
7 people in a 5-man car.
Yeah, so there was 5 of us, and then 2 old ladies was hitchhiking, and stopped, and we got them in, so it was all squishing, but then they was turning off, so we got out, got some water at the shop.